afternoon, good morning, good evening, hello internet, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. Hi, welcome to Lego with Fonzie. Today we're back, we're building the Lego Blacksmiths. As you can see, it's coming along lovely. I think this is, well, for me personally, if you go through everything I've built so far, it would be Lego Ship in a Bottle, which is up there in its display case now, all lit up, all LED'd up. That's up there. This would, to me, form a very close second. And then it would be obviously my Volkswagen camper van, my Beetle, my Ecto 1, and then it would go through to all the bigger ones I've got behind me, behind where I'm recording. Up there on the wall, from the levers to the cranes to the other cranes, the Land Rovers to the Dom's Charger to everything else I've got up there. I've got loads. Anyway, we're not here for that. We're here for this. As you can tell, I'm very excited. I really am enjoying this build. I think it's fantastic. Really do think it's fantastic. Thanks again to the LEGO Ideas program for making this possible. So, today we're going to continue with bag 7. As always, we have our tubs of parts. Link in the description below to where you can get these from. So, let's try and do this today without losing any bits. Let's see, shall we? Now, some of this is pre-made, some is not. Thankfully, this portion is pre-made. Ooh, we can get little goblets. I need to get some more of those. My plan is to build what I'm planning, what I've designed out and drawn it all out and worked it all out. So I'm gonna get it started. And once I've got it started, I'm going to start organising the interior. But I've got to say, I do like this little chopping board. I think that is so very cool. There's lots of little things on this Ideas Blacksmith I really do like. And I am going to incorporate into my actual project of my own. That's going to be cool. Next, we've got some chairs. Now, these are funky as. Check them out. You got a pole at the back, 2 axes. Look at them funky things. Look at that. That is awesome. Awesomely funky. Got another one there. So we've got 2 little chairs. Got a little saucepan, doodly whatsits, cleaver. We've got a cooking pot. Carrots inside. I think this stuff's just amazing. I really do. Really do. So let's have a butcher's. Where does this go? It appears that goes there. And that goes across like that. Actually, no, it doesn't. My apologies. It goes on there. Like so. A bit of organisation like that. That goes like that. Yeah, that goes like that. And happy dozy. I just had to clarify there for a moment by looking at it, the diagram from a different angle, just to make sure. Just to make sure. There we go. Hanging our saucepans and cleavers and things like that. I can't express, honestly, I don't feel like I can express enough just how much I really am enjoying this build. It's wonderful. So I'm going to position one chair there like that. And then the other chair I'm going to try and squeeze in here at the side of the beer barrel. There we go. Hey. Right, next, some of it's pre-made, some of it's not. We can't make it all, but we can try. So, spin it round. Take our two before. Angled pieces upwards. Like that. Masonry piece and that. Slide that into, they'll go like that. Bosh. That can go in there, just like so. So. That pop on like that. That's pretty much your cooker stove sort of thing. It's a stove, isn't it? 'Cause back then there were stoves. Stove. Not quite sure why that's a bit higher up, but okay. We'll go with it. That's why. So I forgot to put that piece on. Don't you feel silly now, Max? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I feel very silly now. There we go. Feel better? Yes. Good. Sorry, folks. I am forever talking to myself. Forever talking to myself. He's going strangely mad. That Queen song. He's going slightly mad. Well, not quite mad, just chatting away. I often find that if you voice your thoughts, it helps to process them easier because you're hearing them out loud. It gives you a chance to really think about them, which I like. The thing with me is sometimes I get like when you glance across, I end up glancing at the wrong page. Then I'm like, oh, what have I done now? So that does happen. It does happen. It's nothing to really worry about. It does happen. It's fine. Right. Because I've just done it there, and I'm like, oh, like I said, it does happen. can I say, folks? Joys of the autistic mind. I get distracted slightly. Probably thinking to yourself, Matt, why didn't you put them? No, because they need joining together with the two. They're two loose pieces, so Pla pulls it together. Right, next tub. Raw. Right, some more of these. I need to investigate how many of those I can really get hold of. I have a nefarious plan for world domination. Bosh. Now we're back to some more pre-made parts. Again, these are built off camera. It saves a bit of time. So first of all, we got a little wall torch. I think that is super cool, super cool. And that's going to be installed there like so. This one goes on the other side like that. I think that is really cool. Very, very, very cleverly made. Piece it to one side. Next, we've got our first portions of roof. I like these tiles. I need to investigate what colours I can get those tiles in. I think they would be fantastic. Yes, I think I may investigate them tiles. I'll just need a lot. So let's quickly scroll through to how this attaches. So that's how that goes together. It doesn't explain how it attaches. Ah, yes it does. Ah, yes it does. The bars, the holders here, hook onto that there. Oops, lost a little thing again. They go like that, and then that tilts down like that. Alright, that's really cool. Really cool. It looks something like that. Next, get some more flats. Gently push them into place like that. So we've got the pin here we hook onto, and then we hook onto the two there. like that. There you have it. Culmination of bag 8. Sorry, my apologies, bag 7. It's 7. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyway, that's culmination of bag 7. Next comes bag 8. And yeah, so far, loving this. Absolutely loving it. I think it goes together something like that. I think. Please don't hold me to it. Something like that. Yeah, the bit's falling off. But I think it goes. I believe it goes together something like that. But we'll find out in the next portion of the build. Thanks very much for tuning in today and watching. I do apologise about the fan, but it's like I say, it currently is boiling in here. That is keeping the office nice and cool. So, like I say, new content every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. 52 weeks of the year. There'll be 3 episodes a week for 52 weeks of the year. Never miss a week. There will be an episode on the continuation of this build and the other projects I've got coming. One of them is fantastic, and I can't wait to show you all my own personal, private, Lego ideas. It's not a kosher model. It's not something Lego's designed. It's something I've designed, and I'm really happy about it. So I can't wait to show you that, the way that looks. But yes, I hope you've enjoyed today. It's been fun. We had a bit of fun putting this stuff together, and that's enough chatting from me. I'll see you all soon. Please hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. It just helps out. It shows other people the channel's here and they come have a look. So I'll see you all later on. Thanks for watching. Peace out, my friends, and I'll see you all soon. May the Fonzie be with you all in these mental, crazy, mad times. Please look after yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Good night. God bless. Ta-da. Bye. This is so cool. It is going to look so cool sat alongside that. Oh, yes.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.